And here's how to connect LinkedIn to Facebook. First of all, you have to copy your LinkedIn account username. Now go to your Facebook, go to your Facebook profile. Now tap on Edit Profile. Here scroll down and tap on Edit next to Links. Tap on Add Social Link. Tap on Platform. And in this list, you have to find out LinkedIn. Select LinkedIn. And in this username box, you have to write your LinkedIn account username. And now tap on Done. Tap on Save. And that's it. You have successfully added your LinkedIn to your Facebook profile just like so. Thanks for watching.